What if your unused storage space could earn you money online? Right now, Americans are turning their extra hard drive space into passive income, and it's not cloud computing or crypto mining. This is one of the newest ways to monetize something you already have. Platforms like Storj, Sia, and Filecoin pay users for renting out unused hard drive space. Companies and developers use this storage for secure distributed data hosting. You earn tokens or USD equivalents for every gigabyte shared. Why it's new and valuable in the US. Passive. Once set up, it runs in the background. Growing demand. Businesses want cheaper, decentralized alternatives to Amazon or Google Cloud. Dollar payouts. Many platforms let you cash out earnings directly in USD. Earning potential. Average users earn $10 to $50 per month with modest storage. Heavy contributors with terabytes of space can earn $100 plus monthly. Scales with the amount of storage and uptime you provide. How to get started. Step 1. Download a decentralized storage app like Storj. Step 2. Allocate unused hard drive space. Step 3. Keep your device online to earn continuously. Pro tips for maximizing earnings. Use a device that stays online 24/7 for higher payouts. Allocate more storage gradually to test performance. Combine with other passive apps like bandwidth sharing for multiple income streams.